Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the light trigger motion counter made by Ghost Stop. So this has a built-in rechargeable battery and it comes with a USB-C charger cable to charge it. So on the bottom we have a 1/4 inch female thread, so you can put this on a tripod. You can use the small tripods or the full freestanding tripods. So basically how this works is it's for use with the flashlight experiment. So a lot of paranormal investigators use the flashlight experiment where you've got those type of torches where you can screw the batteries in kind of halfway, so it's just on the edge of being on and being off. So the slightest little movement of the torch will make it flash on and off. So that's what this is in conjunction to be used for. So basically every time the light level, every time the torch goes on or off, it will count it on this. So you need one of those torches. We don't stock them currently, but you can get hold of them. One of those torches that you can do the flashlight experiment with. So this goes in addition to the flashlight experiment. So basically, when the torch goes on or off, it'll mark as an event. So obviously it'll flash and make a noise each time it happens, and then the counter will increase. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration. So I've got another phone there, and I have the phone's light pointing at it. So at the moment it's calibrating. Right, so now it's ready. So it can see that torch. So obviously the brighter the torch you've got, the further away you can have it. But since it's not a very bright light, we need it quite close. So if I intercept that, it's caught an event. I didn't actually go through the beam. There we go. 2, 3. So that event counter will stay at its highest. So obviously it just increases by 1. So if you are doing the flashlight experiment and you miss it, or you want to walk away and come back, you can see how many times it's been triggered. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description. Thanks for watching.